Hi, let's go through the process of what you'll have to do in order to submit an assignment that is an open-ended question or worksheet, if you will, to your teacher on Apex Learning. You're going to first click on your class. When this opens up, you're going to navigate to the area that you need to submit. This time it's a journal entry. I'll click on the journal icon. It will open into a worksheet type of document. I'm going to click at the beginning of my document, scroll all the way down, and copy, which is Control C. Then I'm going to open up a Google Doc. I'm going to name my Google Doc what the assignment is. And I'm also going to add my last name. I'll click in the middle of the document and do a Control V to paste. Now all of the questions and information that I need to have is in my document, and then I can go ahead and answer the questions in the areas that are provided. When I'm finished answering all of the questions, I'm going to click Share. I'm going to get a shareable link, and since our teacher on Apex Learning is not in the Middlesex Borough District, I need to click on this Can View. I'm going to click More, and I'm going to make sure that it says anyone with a link can have access. I want to make sure that they can only view, so I'm going to save that. I'm double checking anyone with a link can view, and I'm going to copy that link. When I'm finished doing that, I'm going to navigate back to my dashboard on Apex Learning. I'm going to go over here to the messages, click on the plus sign. I'll select my teacher, enter my grade, my journal entry, and I can type a message something like, please see the link below to access my journal. I'm going to make sure that it's marked as homework. I choose my course, the activity. I am not attaching anything. My attachment is really the link for my document, and then I will click Send.